12:23, and we are blowing through this Friday with what should be at least a small chance for a shower storm around. About a 40% chance overall today. Most areas, I think, still have a good shot to stay dry today, but a quick little shower storm is possible. You know, it's October, it's fall, but still probably going to be above 90 for highs this weekend, just about everywhere except for maybe right at the coast. We do have a chance to cool off some next week. A weak cold front arrives on Monday. Not going to come through, blowing through with a lot of cool air, but wouldn't be surprised to maybe see the nighttime temperatures by either Monday night or Tuesday night dip into the 60s. So it'll be a little change. You know, it's every little bit helps, I guess. But things looking pretty dry in the Upper Valley right now. Nothing on the First Warn 5 Doppler network over Hidalgo and Starr counties, but a couple of little showers and storms popping up and moving their way west across Willacy and Cameron counties. The biggest one, some thunder and lightning coming through the Arroyo City area right now, moving to the west. And none of this is going to last too long, but you might get a little downpour rain here for like 15 or 20 minutes. Could amount to maybe a half an inch or a little more in spots. And then a few other spots, you can see a couple showers popping up and a weak thunderstorm kind of southwest of San Benito, just east of Los Indios, kind of near, I think this is kind of near the Bluetown area. That's moving off to the west with the sea breeze. A shower just moving in toward Harlingen right now. And this is very small, may rain for 5 or 6 minutes or so when it blows through. And then farther to the north, also in northern Willacy County, a couple of showers popping up. So this is what we should see the rest of the day. Little showers, weak thunderstorms, maybe last for 10, 15, or 20 minutes or so. The satellite radar shows more showers offshore, and the flow of moisture is still coming in, so it gives us a decent chance for a couple showers or storms today. I think overall, though, the activity will be a little less for Saturday and Sunday, but may come back up later Monday as the weak cold front rolls in. The temperatures are in the upper 80s right now, 88 in Weslaco, 87 in Raymondville, Edinburgh, Harlingen, and Brownsville. And if you are making plans for football tonight, Friday night football plans should be dry. If there is a shower, remember yesterday there were still a couple little showers and storms around through about 6 or 7 in the evening, so should be ending by kickoff time, but wouldn't be surprised if you show up early. There might be a little shower still left over just near the start of the game. Maybe some wet seats out there, so take a towel with you. Temperatures, though, fall from the 80s into the 70s as the game progresses toward the end of the game. And here's the way it looks on Future Track, and a couple little showers or storm popping up, and again, moving west as the day goes on. You see by 7 p.m., though, Future Track shows most everything gone. And then overnight, a mainly dry night. If you're going out for some outdoor activities this evening or tonight, mainly partly cloudy skies. There's a small chance of a sprinkle or shower near the coast. Tomorrow, though, you see less rain on here on Future Track. It shows not as many showers. I think the rain chances probably drop to about 20% or so tomorrow. And then even on Sunday, if you're making weekend plans, you see the majority of the day and most places look dry. Maybe a little spotty shower, about 10% chance or so of a shower in the afternoon. Now, cold front time. Again, not a big front, but one's trying to come in. Look at the main front here on the map. There's also a weak one out here that I didn't draw on this map, but you'll see later in the newscast. This front moves into North Texas on Saturday. Notice there's a lot of heat ahead of it, a lot of 90s in the forecast all across central and southern Texas on Saturday and even into most of Sunday. This front gets into central Texas on Sunday afternoon. We're still hot here. By the time it gets here on Monday, I think Monday could still squeak out maybe close to 90 degrees here, but the front should arrive late in the afternoon or evening. I think a lot of the cool air, though, is still going to be back here and not able to make it. You notice it does show 60s in the afternoon in central Texas. So, again, if some of this holds together, we may see temperatures by Tuesday cool off some, but we're expecting mainly highs knocked down from the 90s into mainly the 80s on Tuesday with a little drop in the humidity. So you have to wait really until about next Tuesday for a brief cool down, but there could be a stronger front behind that one for about next Friday. So he's got to wait a little bit longer. Always waiting. So always waiting for everything to happen. 91 today, partly to mostly cloudy skies, a shower or storm around, and then the temperatures drop into the 70s tonight. In the First Warn 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, remember, lower chances of rain this weekend, probably a lot of dry weather in many areas. A little quick shower or two could pop up. Monday, the rain chances could increase later in the day as the front approaches. Depending on the timing of the front, you might get a little burst of a shower or storm when the front rolls in the afternoon or evening. And then behind it again, 80s Tuesday, a little bit lower in humidity, so that could push temperatures down into the 60s for lows. In some areas, maybe Tuesday, but more likely Wednesday morning. Notice we do warm temperatures up quickly, but like I said, there could be another cold front that has a better chance to cool things off arriving next Friday. So we'll continue to track that one, too, as it approaches coming up here on Channel 5 News at noon.